Hello, so I'll be showing you how to use the clone stamp tool in this episode of the Photoshop series. So the shortcut is S. You can just increase it with the bracket open or bracket close. You press Alt to pick a portion in which you would like to replace, and you just hover over the other area, which as you can see is replacing it. So cloning it and replacing it, putting it in a different position. So we all know, most of us know the clone stamp tool and know how to use it. So that is basically it. Nothing much. Then the next two, I'll be showing you the pattern stamp tool. As you can see, there are a series of default patterns here which you can use. You can just select whichever you would like and paint it out over your background or canvas. You can just paint it. It's more like painting because it appears like a brush, so that's why I'm saying painting, but it's actually a pattern and you're stamping it in different places. I'm just showing you how to do it. Doesn't mean you have to do it like this. There are default stamps you can use. You can play around with the alignment and impressionist. As you can see, after ticking impressionist, it's giving a more blur and kind of attractive look, not giving the precise pattern and stuff like that, and it's looking more artistic and creative. So picking the two makes it look even better. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. In case you missed the last video, a link is down in the description.